What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from Fun Spot America, more specifically Kissimmee. And of course, we are here for their new Gravity Group hybrid wooden roller coaster. So let's go check it out. All right, so here is the construction site, and new this week, we have a fence line that's been installed, as we can see right there. All metal, keeping people out, but good thing is we can still get a really awesome view of the whole site, and that's what we're gonna do right now. So this is from the south side, and again, everything looking really good. Land clearing looks to be just about done. We still have this giant tree right here, however. Still think that may be coming out, but ground is getting leveled right now. Everything's looking really good. Of course, we do have hot seat right here, which is still in operation, as we can see. But this is going to be moving very, very soon, I would expect, as the ride is going to be extending apparently all the way over to the basketball court area. So this is going to be a little bit of a larger project than what we see right here. So again, it extends all the way down to over here. We do have a couple markers on the ground here, just like last week. Right there, right there. But I'm thinking those were not for supports or something like that. I don't know, maybe. I still think because we do have the concept art right here. And again, like what we talked about, these supports right about there, I think are going to be right about here. So again, heartline roll right about in this area. They have taken up some of the bricks so far. But yeah, this fence line now extends all the way down. And now we're on the north side of the ride again. The concept art right there, and then here's the construction site. Looking really good. We do have a couple markers already in the ground right there. So we can see they have a string attached to it as well to give a straight line reference all the way down the construction site. But we have some equipment, but most of this area is just about leveled out. So we should be doing some concrete pours here probably by next week. Here's another look at one of the markers in the ground, again with that string line attached all the way down. That's one of them. And then we have another set right over here that we showed just a couple minutes ago. So again, markers right there and the string line headed all the way down. A couple more markers right here, extending all the way down around this little concrete area. So I think we have our barrier set for the ride project. Again, those strings are kind of outlining everything here. Looks good. So in other news for this project, directly across from the park, we have a storage lot, and it looks like the fence line is all the way around this lot. And then inside we have our first couple deliveries, it looks like. So we have cinder blocks over here. There they are. And then just down over here, check out all that rebar. And that is a lot of rebar right there, and even down right over there. So again, looks like they're about to start their concrete pours here, probably in the next week. So I'm expecting this rebar to be on the construction site very, very soon. All right, so this is a much closer look at all of the stuff here inside the storage lot. Again, we have all those cinder blocks, rebar right there, and rebar over there. This is a really big lot, so I'm expecting them to be able to put quite a bit of wood and steel in here. But good to see that it's finally happening. Well, in addition to our fun spot updates, we've been doing Old Town ones as well for the new Ferris wheel that is going to be opening very, very soon. In fact, we have a lot of progress just from last week. We had the barrier up right here, but they've poured quite a bit of concrete. It does look like we may have a fence line going in, something like that. But pathway over there, looking good. The lighting package is really, really nice on this. Like I said from the last update, it's super bright. And then they have a new pathway. Looks like they poured it literally in the last day or two. It extends all the way over to the Ferris wheel itself. It does appear we have a couple workers right now doing a little bit of work here on the ride itself. See right there, one guy right there scaling up. Another one working on kind of the connection point where the gondolas hang. And this guy right here is working on a fence line for the lockout area. And that is the area where the ride is most dangerous. People aren't supposed to go. But this fence line going in right now. The loading platform area looks like it is just about done. They've poured concrete right here. Fence line is installed. ADA platform also right there installed. So looking very good. Should probably already be testing. I haven't seen it run yet, but I'm expecting this to open probably in the next month. Looks like the ride panel's in place already. I don't see any flashing lights, even though I think it may have power, obviously, with the lights already on there, but I'm not seeing any sort of test today. One other really awesome tidbit of information is we are just told that the Ferris wheel will be opening on Friday, December 23rd, 2016, and get this, it's actually just started testing as well. So, two awesome things right there. It's testing, gonna be open tomorrow. Exciting stuff. Another gentleman over here looking like they are about to install an awning over the pathway to keep people cool during the hot summer days. But that's going up into the air right now. And away it goes. Alright, I take it back. It's not an awning. It's actually a little booth that's going around the control panel right now. Yep, see, they're installing it. Well, guys, that is going to do it for another Fun Spot America, more specifically Kissimmee location and Old Town construction update. As we saw, the Gravity Group coaster is coming along very nicely. All the ground here is very, very flat. We do have rebar and cinder blocks in the storage lot, and I'm expecting concrete to be poured very, very, very soon. And of course, the Ferris wheel is going to be opening this weekend here at Old Town as well. We're going to have more updates from here and from other places from around the world, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, our Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and we'll see you out on the Midway.